Everyone, I'm Amy Cadora. I am Norwex's Chief Marketing and Mission Officer, and so glad to have you join us today. It's a great day because I am here to officially reveal some of our most exciting new products that are just available here in February. Now, before we dive in, let me know for sure where you're coming from. It's always exciting to see the different states and provinces and countries that everybody is coming to us from. And also, as we go through and talk about these new products, what's your favorite product? What are you most excited about? I always love to see that and see which one is going to be the most popular and biggest seller. All right, first product, just to get right into it, is for an area of the house that's probably not our most favorite area to clean, which is the bathroom. Now, when you think about cleaning the bathroom, that area tends to be a lot smaller, right, for most of us, not super well ventilated. Most of us don't necessarily have a window that opens to the outside. And if you've ever, gotten into your warm shower or bathroom to get in there and scrub with the water running and the steam, you might have had a coughing attack. I know I used to as well when I would be spraying sprays in there and trying to get in and get it really, really clean. The reason for that is a lot of the products we use in our bathroom can actually contain potentially harmful chemicals for us. And also, if you accidentally mix some of those chemicals, for example, ammonia and bleach, those two can actually produce a pretty dangerous gas when they're inadvertently combined together from the different products we may be using. And also, the humidity and heat in that area can cause your lungs and all of the vessels there to actually dilate, which means you might be absorbing more of those chemicals and gases that are in the air, not gases, but the chemicals in the air that you are spraying with your cleaners. So it's really important actually to be conscious of the products you're using in the bathroom or somebody else in your family is using in the bathroom. And in fact, we know that there is a study out of the University of Bergen that says that people that are using traditional spray cleaners throughout the house, that can actually be the equivalent of smoking a pack a day of cigarettes in terms of lung function. So again, important to be selective, choosy about the products that you're using in the bathroom. And the one that I am very excited to talk with you about today is our Norwex brand new all-in-one bathroom cleaner. I know you're already going to be intrigued by the fact that it's in a box, but this all-in-one bathroom cleaner, I think, is the answer to avoiding those harmful chemicals that are in your bathroom and actually replacing multiple products there with just one simple product. This particular product has no fragrance in it, no need for synthetic fragrances because we're going to get it really clean without fragrance, no dyes in the product either, and then none of the harmful chemicals that may be in those traditional products that you're using. All wrapped up in an incredibly effective formula. We worked really hard to pick the right ingredients, surfactants to be able to clean just about any surface. And we added two descaling ingredients in here. One of them is actually a marine grade descaler. So, what they use on the bottom of boats to descale from all the stuff that can accumulate and slow down those boats and make them not run efficiently. You've got that in this powerful all in one cleaner. Additionally, it also has a water softener, which is important to ensure that the rest of the ingredients in the formula work really, really well. So it's going to remove just about everything from your surfaces in your bathroom, is also going to help remove lime scale, the soap scum and residue that's probably on your bathtub or on your shower side as well, lime, rust, just about everything with that incredible descaling power. This is also 94% bio-based, meaning that 94% of the ingredients in this formula are from renewable resources. So a great sustainability story. And last but not least, it is also EWG verified, Environmental Working Group verified, meaning that they have put it through their ingredient filter, very detailed ingredient filter, and determined that it is one of the cleanest formulas out there. So just a great product. Now, you'll notice that it's in this little sachet, which is also part of the unique story here. It comes in a box, just had the box, didn't I? Here it is, the box of three of these sachets. You simply pour this sachet into our a glass forever bottle, and this makes one entire bottle of forever, or excuse me, of cleaner ready to go. This helps us to reduce plastic use significantly. So we're excited about this changeover to what we call just a little packet, a little sachet of cleaner. So concentrated here, mixed with your own water, and you're ready to go. All right. Additionally, as we're thinking about cleaning the house, remembering back to that fact that, using traditional cleaners can affect our lung function. It's important to be choosy about products you might be using throughout the house, not just in the bathroom. And many of those household cleaning products, all-purpose cleaning products or multi-purpose cleaning products, can have some of those chemicals that aren't great for us to be inhaling and putting into our lungs, especially if you have somebody that's an asthmatic or somebody that just has respiratory challenges, allergies in particular. Disinfectant ingredients have also been associated with childhood obesity. So interesting story there. That's for another video. But interesting that the use of those types of chemicals and ingredients can be impacting our health overall. So we have created a product to help in those situations, and we call it our multi-purpose everyday cleaner. So some of you may want to boost the power of our Norwex microfiber with a spray cleaner, and we developed this product with you in mind. It is concentrated, so again, you can dilute 3 ounces of this into our Forever bottle, and you'll have your all-purpose, multi-purpose spray cleaner ready to go. Or you can also use it in our, for those of you that love our mop system, we have a spray mop attachment that you can dilute this also with water, and you can use it on your floors. So it's really designed to give your water a little bit of a boost as you're cleaning throughout the home. It works immediately to go to work loosening the soil and the grease and the grime that may be on your surfaces throughout your home. And we kind of the cleaning power, the foundation of it is probiotics that we use in this formula, really designed to, again, help quickly break up dirt, grease, grime, stuck on stuff, whether it's toothpaste or it's stuff in the kitchen throughout the house. I know people with little kids, you're often finding stuck on, you're not really sure what it is somewhere in the house. This is a great product for that. It is also great for grooves, cracks, the tile grout, to really get in there and clean, again, using those probiotics. So as long as there is dirt and grime to eat for these probiotics, they're going to continue to work for a couple of days. So even after you're done working, they're still working at kind of breaking that down for us. So concentrated, great for those that aren't quite ready to go to just microfiber and water, or those that need want your cleaning to be a little bit faster, right? More efficient throughout the house. Also, it's USDA bio-based at 67%. So again, 67% of the ingredients here are from renewable resources. So a nice sustainability story there. Now, as we're talking about creating a safe haven and learning how to live cleaner and safer and better, your skin, body skin, is an important part of that as well, right? Because what you're putting on your body once, twice, 3 times a day has the potential for some of those ingredients to be absorbed into the body through the skin. So we want to make sure that we're using products on it that are good and healthy for the skin, and that don't have any of those harmful, potentially harmful ingredients. So we have taken the idea of probiotics into our personal care and skincare line, and we have them specifically in our brand new ultra hydrating body lotion. So this is designed, of course, to be clean. There are no harmful ingredients in this formula, so you can use it and feel good about using it on you and your entire family. But it also has a really unique story in the probiotics, the pre and postbiotics that we are including in this formula. So why is that important? Your skin has its own natural microbiome, kind of a group of bacteria and fungi that exists there. And that may be news to some of you, but it's very natural. And in as much as we can keep that microbiome, nurture it with healthy ingredients, that's what we want to do. So the Ultra Hydrating Body Lotion is designed to do just that. So pre and postbiotics in this formula to help nurture your own microbiome. and it also has Nordic antioxidants in it. So cloudberry, lingonberry, and birch extract, really strong antioxidants, and those are designed to help provide antioxidant benefits on the skin as your skin is being exposed to kind of everyday life. Important to have those antioxidants in there. And then shea butter and plant oils, again, to both really work on moisturizing, hydrating the skin barrier itself. So all around, just really good for the for your skin. No fragrance added here, so unscented, which I know for a lot of people is an important point. Vegan, dermatologist tested, and also EWG verified again. So third party certification that this product doesn't contain the harmful ingredients that we're all concerned about. It's available as this 6 ounce bottle. And we also have an awesome refill that goes with it. So 12 ounces, two refills with this, helping to reduce our use of plastic. So this kind of becomes your forever container and you can buy the refills. So great for your skin, also for your family as well. Not last but not least, but another important product, I'm looking for it in my collection here. Oh, right here in front of me, is to think about your deodorant that you're using or antiperspirant that you're using. You know, the skin under your arm can be thinner, can be also more sensitive. So we want to be conscious of what we're putting under our arms. Want to be conscious of the ingredients, whether it's synthetic fragrance or alcohol. I know for some aluminum is a concern. So we have our very own brand new deodorant, which we're really excited about. It is aluminum free. It is clinically tested for 48 hours. That's 2 days of deodorant protection. Can be used all over your body, not just your underarms. And I'm actually showing you a prototype. We're waiting to actually make this available, so it should be available really soon. So a little bit of a sneak preview here. Key ingredients are again that prebiotic story. So really helping to nurture the good live bacteria that you have there in your skin, preventing the growth of odor causing bacteria, and helping to maintain your skin's natural pH. Nordic antioxidants in this product as well, lingonberry and cloudberry for that protection, charcoal powder to help absorb your sweat, the perspiration, and again, just for the whole body. So wherever you're sweating as we go into spring and summer, this is a great product for you. It is also, like our body lotion, a refill. So this becomes your forever container. It is the pretty green color, but this particular one is a prototype. And you're just going to be buying the refill over time, which greatly reduces the plastic waste that's going in to our waste system. All right, I also want to call out a couple of additional products. I'm just looking at my list here. We have our quick clean cloth. So for any of those really messy, gross cleanups that you have in your house, think about, I don't know, pet urine, pet feces, kids, whatever mess they create, the grease kind of out in the garage. These two claws are great for that, incredibly absorbent. We also have our soap dispensing kitchen brush. Everybody likes to do dishes differently. This is great for people that maybe don't want to get their hands into the warm soapy water. It has a really natural sisal material here. You can also put your dishwashing liquid in here, so you don't need to keep squirting. You just have kind of an all-in-one tool to get your dishes clean with kind of a natural surface there. Travel pack of our EnviroClaws, our number one selling microfiber cleaner. Little travel sizes, great as we're getting on the go going into spring and summer. We also have our brand new window cloth with a really pretty Norwegian fjord design on it, mountain design on it. So just there's nothing like a brand new window cloth to get going on your spring cleaning, window cleaning especially. We have our body and face brand new exfoliating mitt, also great for the skin. Two holes, so you can use it whether you are right-handed or if you are left-handed, you can also, putting it on my left hand, use the hole for that. Excuse me. And body and face, or excuse me, body back scrubber. Love this. And then last but not least, some of our best-selling products are our makeup removal claws, super soft material to get your makeup off with just one just water. So great option as you're trying to reduce products you may be using or ingredients that you're using on your skin. So this month, month of February, exciting month, and so many opportunities to live cleaner, safer, better with these products. So hope you're as excited as we are. Be sure to reach out to your consultant for more details on this quick preview on these new products. And if you don't have a consultant, let us know. You can connect with one on our website, and they will be happy to go through some of these products, as well as, of course, the other products that we have at Norwex to help you learn how to live cleaner, safer, better. Take care, everyone. Bye now.